How to use Amora app. So basically the Astro Soulmate Draw app, basically it has features in the Amora app that kind of uses AI plus astrology style inputs to generate a virtual soulmate profile. It's mainly for entertainment though, curiosity and fun, not really real matchmaking. But if you want to go ahead and use the Amora app, go ahead to your Play Store and App Store, or App Store, I mean, and search for Amora itself. Go ahead and install it and you can open it directly. So immediately you'll be led to something like this. So astrology meets love. What you're gonna have to do is to just go ahead and continue, and you're gonna have to put in some details. So first you're gonna have to put in your first name. Then go ahead and press on next. Choose your gender. Let's say you're a male. Go ahead and next choose your birthday as well. Once you've done that, next again the exact birth time if you know that. Go ahead and next as well. If you didn't know that, there is a skip button as well. But where were you born as well? You're gonna have to go ahead and choose. Again, pretty much depends on you what place you're going for. But go ahead and press and confirm. Select your state and province. Confirm again. Then press on next. So it's gonna analyze your astro DNA based on your birth date, apparently where you're from as well. But once you have given all your details, you can finally start using some of their features. So first is the find my soulmate option. You can go ahead and use that. So you're going to choose your soulmate's gender as well. Basically the same thing. You go ahead and put in the information yourself. You can also choose the see my future option, like a 2026 love forecast, future family, or your future self if that's what you want. Daily advice, let's say you want a daily horoscope or life advice. So you should just go ahead and basically do a chat. So let's say what should you do in life, and apparently it's gonna give you a message as well. So you're gonna need connection for this apparently, I suppose. So it's gonna give you an answer, basically depending on your own details that you've given. A lucky number as well. It's gonna go ahead and calculate a lucky number for you. So my lucky number for today is 3, which is cool. Cosmic compatibility and visual compatibility. You have connections as well. You can go ahead and add people if you want. Your friends, your connections, your loved ones, and you can see your profile over here in the bottom right corner. If you go ahead and want to change this, then you can, of course. You can edit it. So Kitty presents a fascinating blend of grounded ambition and whatnot. You'll be able to see some details like a summary, strengths, and weaknesses. But that's pretty much all there is to the Amora app. So basically astrology based features. But you can go ahead and explore if you want, of course. Hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.